Sa ibang balita, muling sinuspinde ng 60 araw si Cavite 4th District Representative Kiko Barzaga. Samantala, isa pang kongresista nagbitiw sa kanyang pwesto. Si Bel Custodio sa sentro ng balita.
With 238 members voting in affirmative, 10 against, 9 abstentions, the findings and recommendations contained in the committee report number 102 are hereby adopted. The Honorable Barzaga, who is present at this session hall, is hereby notified that he is suspended for a period of 60 days effective immediately.
Muling sinuspende ng Kamara si Cavite 4th District Representative Kiko Barzaga sa loob ng 60 araw dahil sa patuloy na disorderly behavior batay sa rekomendasyon ng House Committee on Ethics and Privileges. Una nang pinatawa ng 60-day suspension si Barzaga noong December 1, pero ayon kay Ethics Committee Chairperson JC Abalos, tila hindi nadadala ang mamabata sa kanyang parusa.
After a thorough deliberation on the case, the committee finds that Respondent Barzaga of the 4th District of Cavite committed repeated, escalating misconduct during the period of his suspension from office during December 1, 2025 to January 30, 2026, which reflected negatively upon the dignity, integrity, and reputation of the House of Representatives as an institution.
Muling ipagbabawal kay Barzaga ang pagganap sa anumang opisyal na tungkulin at hindi rin siya makatatanggap ng sahod at mga allowance sa loob ng suspension period.
Well, actually, sanay na tayo dyan. We'll just keep doing what's best for the people. And usually, mga ganitong klase, Congress should be focusing on different things rather than this.
Kabilang sa batayan ng suspensyon, ang hindi paggalang kay yumaong Representative Romeo Acop at mga mapanira at malisyosong social media post. Inisnab ni Barzaga ang pinakahuling pagdinig ng Ethics Committee. Ani Barzaga, wala siyang pinagsisisihan sa kanyang ginawa.
I wouldn't have done it if I would have regretted it either way.
Samantala, nag-resign na bilang ACT-CIS Party List Representative si Ed Vic Yap. Inanunsyo ni Deputy Majority Leader Victoria Velizo Tuazon ang pagbibitiw ni Yap sa Kongreso sa ipinasa sa House session kahapon.
We are in receipt of a letter from Representative Ed Vic Yap of ACT-CIS Party List informing the House of Representatives of his resignation as member of the House.
Kasunod nito, kailangan ng alisin ng Office of the Secretary General sa roll members ng Kamara. Kung babalikan, iniuugnay si Yap at ang kapatid niyang si Representative Eric Yap sa La Union flood control issue. Inaabangan pa ang anunsyo ng House of Representatives kung sino ang hahalili kay Yap bilang ACT-CIS Party List Representative. Vel Custodio para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.